Okay, I own 4 Marx 490 locomotives. 2 I bought on eBay and 2 were given to me. Each one of them I put on the track like you see here, turned on the transformer, and throttled up, and got nothing. Don't give up if this happens to you. So, I flipped it upside down. I've got the transformer next to it and the 2 wires from the transformer. The throttle's up, and I did this. Touch one wire here and the other wire to this contact point. The motor ran just fine. So that told me that current from the track was not able to get through the wheels or this contact plate and make it to the motor. And I found that by cleaning the wheels, all 4 of the drive wheels, and this contact plate helped, but it didn't solve the problem entirely. Current was still not making it through this axle so that it could touch this contact prong. And there was all kinds of gunk wound around this axle, preventing this metal prong from making physical contact with this axle. So by cleaning this axle off, in addition to the wheels and this plate here, 2 of the locomotives ran after that. The other 2 didn't run, and I discovered it was because still this prong was not making contact with the axle because its tension was lost to some extent, and it just wouldn't push against the axle. So I had to bend this prong over more than it was so that it would finally rub against this axle. So give that a try. Hopefully that'll work. It worked for me. Those other 2 locomotives finally ran after that. I also oiled these 2 gears right up in here and here. That helped loosen everything up really nice. Put it back on the track and gave it power again. And it works great. All 4 of them work great now. Hope this helps. Give it a shot. And happy training.